Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to solve some of the more doubts which have been asked by you from the chapter Maxima and Minima. This is question number 8. The question asks like this: at what points in the interval 0 to 2 pi does the function sin 2x attain its maximum value? So please note that here the given interval is 0 to 2 pi. Now let us start the solution of it, right? We will start like this. The given function is, I write it like this, solution fx is given to be sin 2x. Our first job is to find f dash x, right? So if I find f dash x, it will be 2 cosine twice of x, right? Now for critical points, that is Cp, I have f dash x equals to 0. If it is so, then I have 2 cos 2x equals to 0, or I have cos 2x equals to 0. Now cos attains 0 at various points like pi by 2, then it will be 0 again at 3 pi by 2. Look at this, at pi by 2 it will attain 0, then 3 pi by 2, then 5 pi by 2, then 7 pi by 2. It will go like this. Okay, so now this will be cos 2x equals to either pi by 2 cos pi by 2. I repeat, cos 2x it is equal to cos pi by 2, or cos 3 pi by 2, or cos 5 pi by 2. It will go on like this. Clear? Now if it is so, then I can write, therefore 2x it is equal to pi by 2, or 3 pi by 2, or 5 pi by 2, or 7 pi by 2, or 9 pi by 2. It will go like this. Then if it is so, then x becomes pi by 4, or 3 pi by 4, or 5 pi by 4, or 7 pi by 4. Now I will restrict myself here because my x is given from 0 to 2 pi, क्योंकि हमारा x 0 to 2 pi दिया हुआ था. That is why I have to restrict my values from this point to this point, right? Now let us do the rest of the things. After finding x, then I have to find f double dash x. Okay, therefore f dash x, as I have already discussed, it is 2 cos 2x. Then my job is to find f double dash x. F double dash x equals to 2 into cos 2x derivative. It will be minus sin 2x multiplied by 2. Again 2 2s are 4. This is negative 4 sin 2x, right? Now I have to test this value at these points. Clear? So therefore I will make a table. This is for Cp and this is for sin of f double dash x, which is equal to minus 4 sin 2x, right? Now let us do it. This is pi by 4. First value is Cp, x equals to pi by 4. X equals to pi by 4. Next value is x equals to 3 pi by 4. Next it is x equals to 5 pi by 4, and the last value is x equals to 7 pi divided by 4. Now let me check the sign of f double dash x. So this is negative 4 sin 2 into pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 2. This is equal to minus 4, which is negative. Then I will have a remark column here. So it is point of maximum. Next it is minus 4 sin, this is 3 pi by 2, this is minus 4, 3 pi by 2, it will be just opposite of pi by 2, so it will be minus 1, which is greater than 0, so it is minimum. Next it is at 5 pi by 4, this is negative 4 sin, this is 5 pi divided by 2. As you know, pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2, their difference is only 2 pi. So as I have told you already in 11th standard, that at each interval of 2 pi the value repeats. So that is why I will be writing minus 4 into 1, which is also less than 0, right? If it is less than 0, then it is point of maxima. And at last, this one, let me take at 7 pi by 4. The value goes like this, minus 4 into sine 7 pi by 2. As you know, 3 pi by 2 and 7 pi by 2, there is a difference of 2 pi in between them. So value will be minus 1. So minus 4 multiplied by minus 1, which is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then it is a point of minima. Therefore, I have two things here, maxima and minima. At this point it attains the maxima, and also at pi by 4 it attains maxima, and also at 7 pi by 4 it attains the maxima. Therefore, f attains maximum value at x equals to pi by 4 and also x equals to 5 pi by 4. So these are the 2 points where our fx attains the maximum value. So you can pause this video and rewind this again and again so as to get the correct answer. Once again, we are going to proceed to the next question. Next doubt which has been asked by you, it is question number 11, right? So let me solve question number 11. Okay, so this is my question number 11. The question goes like this: given at x equals to 1, the function f of x, which is equal to x to the power 4 minus 62 times x square plus ax plus 9, attains maximum value on the interval 0 to 2. Then we have to find the value of a. Clear? Now let us solve this question. If I go on solving this question, please see. Here I have to first, it is given f of x is a x to the power 4 minus 62 x square plus ax plus 9. Now at x equals to 1, it attains maximum value. If it is so, clearly a function attains its maximum value at the critical points. So let me see. Therefore, clearly, you will write here, clearly x equals to 1 is a CP. CP stands for critical point. Therefore, at x equals to 1, f dash x equals to 0. So let us solve this one. F dash x, it is derivative of x to the power 4 minus 62 x square plus ax plus 9 equals to 0, right? Now let us proceed further. Here I get this is 4x cube minus this is 62, 2 is 124 x plus ax, and this is not 9, this is a, right? So a, it is equal to 0. Now I have to put the value of ax to be 1 over here, right? So it is 4 minus 124 into 1 plus a equals to 0, and I get this is minus 120 plus a equals to 0, and hence a equals to 120. So this is the solution of this kind of question. So this is for question number 11, right? Now today's last question, let me solve. This is our question number 12. In our question number 12, it has been asked to prove that or find the maximum and minimum value of fx equals to x plus sin x in the interval 0 to 2 pi, right? Now let us solve this question. It is given f of x, it is equal to x plus sin x. Then you find first f dash x. It is equal to 1 plus, this is sin 2x, students, I have written it wrong. So it is 2 cos 2x. Now for Cp, f dash x equals to 0. That means 1 plus 2 cos 2x, it is equal to 0, right? Now let us solve this equation. Therefore I have 2 cosine of 2x equals to minus 1 and cosine of 2x, it is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now cos attends negative in the second quadrant as well as in the third quadrant. So therefore 2x will be equal to either pi minus theta for second quadrant and pi plus theta for the third quadrant. So here theta equals to the acute value for which cos becomes 1 by 2. Cos becomes 1 by 2 at 60 degree, that is pi by 3, right? So I get here 2x equals to, this is pi minus pi by 3, this is pi plus pi by 3. Okay, then I will see the repeated values later on. That is 2x equals to, this is 2 pi by 3, then it will be 4 pi by 3. Let us take some more values. You add 2 pi on this, this will be 5 pi by 3. Okay, this is 3 2 ja 3 plus 2 pi. So I have written it wrong, students. If 5 pi by 2 नहीं होगा 3, it will be 7 pi by 3 plus 2 pi if I add, it will be 6 plus 2, which is 8 pi by 3. Then again you add 2 pi for this, it will be 10 pi by 3 and the value will go on like this. So मैंने क्या किया, I have added 2 pi for this and 2 pi in this, the value will go on repeating, right? So let us proceed further. Here I get x equals to, first value it is 2 pi by 6, second value is 4 pi by 6, third value is 8 pi divided by 6 and this is 10 pi divided by 6. It goes on like this. Now look at this. If it is so, therefore I have x equals to pi by 3, this is 2 pi by 3, this is 4 pi by 3 and this is 5 pi by 3. So I will not go beyond that. After that the value will exceed 2 pi. Okay? So up to this one only I have to say. Then I will make a column, okay, to find the maxima and minima. For that I will write it like this. Now I have found just f dash x. I have got f dash x, it is equal to 1 plus 2 cos 2x. So I have to get here f double dash x, which is equal to derivative of 2 cos 2x, because derivative of 1 is 0. So it will be 2 into cos 2x, derivative is minus sin 2x multiplied by minus 2. Okay, so if I write further, minus sin 2x multiplied by this one multiplied by 2. Okay, so let us see. Then I will be proceeding like this. This will be equal to minus 4 sin 2x. Now I will make the column Cp, then f double dash x, this is the sine of f double dash x, right, which is equal to minus 4 sine 2x. Then remarks, if I go on like this, first value x equals to, look at this is pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Pi by 3, x is also equal to 2 pi by 3, then x is also equal to 5 pi by 3, and here x is also equal to 8 pi by 3. Let me check these values. Pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Okay, I have committed wrong here. Pi by 3 and next value is 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. This is 2 pi by 3, this is 4 pi by 3 and this one is 5 pi by 3. Now let us proceed further. Here if I put pi by 3, f double dash x will be minus 4 sine 2 pi by 3. Children, this value is positive since it lies in the second quadrant. So positive and this is negative. If it is so, then negative into positive, it will be less than 0. Similarly, this one will become minus 4 and sine, this will be 4 pi by 3. So this value lies in the third quadrant, so it is negative and negative. Totally it will become positive because it is lying in the third quadrant. Similarly, this one will be minus 4 sine and this one will be 8 pi by 3. So it will be lying in the first quadrant, positive and negative. This is negative, and here also minus 4, this is sine, this is 10 pi divided by 3. If it is so, then 10 pi by 3 will lie where sine is also positive, then 8 pi by 3 and 10 pi by 3, let us check it. 10 pi by 3, it is nothing but 3 pi plus pi by 3, which is in the third quadrant, not second quadrant, third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative, so negative negative it becomes positive. And here it is a point of maxima, this is a point of minima, this is again a point of maxima, and this is a point of minima. Okay? Now after finding this, let me find the maximum value and minimum value. So therefore maximum value at these points, clear, f of x at pi by 3, I will find that is equal to pi by 3 plus sine 2 pi by 3. So this is pi by 3, this is the value which is 120 degree. So 120 degree by 3, that is 2 pi by 3, sine 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree. If I ask you 120 degree, you must recall the value of 60 degree. So sine 60 degree, it is root 3 by 2. Similarly at 2 pi by 3, let me find the values. At 2 pi by 3, the value goes like this. This will be 2 pi by 3, then sine, it will be 4 pi plus 4 pi by 3. Again this one is 2 pi by 3 and minus, again sine pi by 3, it will be negative obviously because pi plus pi by 3, so it is negative, hence it will be negative of root 3 by 2, right? Now next it is at 4 pi by 3. Let me see it. Yes, it is at 4 pi by 3. It will be 4 pi by 3 plus sine, again this will be 8 pi by 3. So this is 4 pi by 3 plus root 3 by 2, and at last at 5 pi by 3, it will be 5 pi by 3 plus sine, this one will be 10 pi by 3. So it will be 5 pi by 3 minus, again it will be root 3 by 2. So clearly it is visible that this is the this one is the maximum value and this one will be the minimum value. Okay, so this is how we solve this kind of question. So my request to all of you that you rewind this video again and again to complete the notes, and this is a lengthy question. Then in the next class what I will do is start the word problems from this chapter. This is very important, so I hope you will complete the notes and it will be easy for you to understand the word problems. If you have understood the algebraic problems properly, then you can understand the word problems also properly. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you very much.